Okay, I'm trying this one more time. I keep on trying these videos. Don't get too much darkness in them, so maybe this time I got enough light to be able to see. I know y'all don't know about that, but anyway. I have this reel here. Now this was given to me by a friend years ago. When I say years ago, I'm talking about mid-90s. And this is from Robert Sound. It says it's a limited edition collector's album. It says this album is number 420 of 1,000 copies. Famous artist section. These are Robert's Electronics. This is another first, blah 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 blah. And it also says albums not to be sold. And what this is, it's in a reel. Those are in pretty good shape. Nothing I can help. This card says it must be above the date of purchase, within 10 days of purchase. And, information's on there. You see the reel looks pretty good. It looks real good actually. I don't know about them, nothing about them. I've never ran a reel in my life. I don't know anything about them, and I go back a long way. I was born when 8-tracks still being used in cars. I've seen the old vinyl records. I used to play them as a kid. Put on the cassettes in a few later years. Eventually things went to CD. And go from there. Now the back of this is information here. These are some of the names. You see Sammy Davis Jr. there, Frank Sinatra. No, I don't know. Being 420 of 1,000 copies, collector's album, a limited edition collector's album. I'd imagine there's probably somebody out there somewhere who's probably got 999 of them and probably looking for this one. I don't think if this is valuable or priceless or junk or what, but I'm trying to find out what I can and even know if I keep this thing for my life, which is cool to have. A limited edition collector's album, I don't have anything like that whatsoever. And even if I keep it, I'd like to know more about it. Just an idea of the sentiment of it, and things like that. Where the people out there that want it, could I have something here that that people want, and I'm like, nah, I kind of like it for myself, I just wondering. It seems cool. Anyway, anybody knows anything about this, just let me know. I don't think it's worth anything, but it's still cool to have, being what it is. Got some big names on there for sure. So.